Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Acorn Wallet. Acorn Wallet is a decentralized crypto wallet that lets you store, send and receive digital assets securely. But if you're switching wallets, fixing issues or simply don't need it anymore, you might be wondering how to delete your Acorn Wallet properly. And in this video I'll show you safe and correct way to delete Acorn Wallet. So first, Acorn is a non-custodial wallet, which means your wallet cannot be deleted from the blockchain. Deleting the app removes the access only from your device, and if you lose your recovery phrase, your funds are gone forever. So first, open to the Acorn box, and over here in the top right corner we can see there's a profile. Tap on the profile, and once you reach into this profile, go to the setting. Over here, when you reach into the setting interface on the bottom, we can see there's an option for the delete wallet. You need to tap on the delete wallet, and it says that after deletion only the token encryption code that you have backed up store the wallet, and if you are sure you can select confirm, and that is it. It is very easy, and this fully removes the wallet from your phone. And that is it. You have successfully deleted your Acorn wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any confusion.